In this video, we are going to look at how to replace the defective heatsink fan unit from your Dell laptop. This is a Dell 7420 model laptop, but this is applicable for most of the latest Dell laptop. First, you need to remove all 8 screws from the back of your laptop. Make sure you have the right screwdriver, otherwise you might end up damaging the screws, and that's going to be a problem. And now you need to use a plastic prying tool to remove the backside lid. Let's remove that. Right after you remove the backside lid, make sure you disconnect the battery from the motherboard. That's the first thing you have to do. And now you have to remove all the screws that mounts this heatsink fan unit into the back of your laptop. So all of the screws are out now, and just remove it. And then there's a tape. Make sure you remove the tape carefully. Okay, that is out of the way. Now you need to remove all the thermal glue. I'm going to show you how to remove the thermal paste from the heat sink. That thermal paste helps you dissipate the heat very well. So just remove all the thermal paste. You need to have a kind of alcoholic wet cloth to remove that. When you have this new unit, normally that comes inside the box. Okay, that is now out of the way. And what you need to do is, you see that metal thing, that is what dissipate the heat. Now you put the new paste, and now you mount the new unit, heatsink fan unit. Make sure it aligns properly. All the holes need to align properly. And now you connect the heatsink fan unit to the motherboard, and put all the screws now. Okay, now you connect the battery to the motherboard and put the lid back in. After you replace the heatsink fan unit, boot up the computer and hit F2 and go to BIOS and set to the default BIOS settings. And then you reboot the computer again and keep pressing F12. And you can go to the diagnostics and run the diagnostics again. Make sure it tests everything, including the fan. Everything should come up okay. That means the fan heatsink replacement was successful. Now you see it says charger unable to detect charger, because we did not connect the charger. That's the only thing. So everything passed. So this is how you replace a defective heatsink fan unit on a Dell Latitude 7420. I guess this is mostly applicable to latest laptop model, but you have to check the manual before you open the cover. Make sure if the laptop is under warranty, you do not open this laptop by yourself. You need to call the Dell, get a technician to replace this unit for you, because if you open without their knowledge, the warranty may get void. So make sure you check all of them. If you like the content of this video, make sure you please hit the like button. Also consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification so you will get notified when I release my next video. All right, thanks. I will see you in the next video. Bye.